and sisters. Good morning to all of you. Today, I am Gomati of class 6 on behalf of the group and Roy, standing before you all to give a speech on cleanliness. Cleanliness is an important aspect of healthy living. It is a state of being clean, which means free from dirt and germs. The habit of maintaining cleanliness is as important as we need food, water, and air to live. The habit of cleanliness should be encouraged right from childhood, as cleanliness is considered next to godliness, which means maintaining cleanliness is just like devoting yourself to God. It is considered so important because it helps us prevent many kinds of diseases. When we keep ourselves clean and also our surroundings clean, we protect ourselves from various kinds of viruses and bacteria that can make us fall ill. There are several ways to maintain cleanliness around us. It is not very difficult. Like for personal cleanliness, we should always take bath daily, wash our hands before and after food, and to keep our surroundings clean. We should always throw away waste in the dustbin and clean our surroundings with a broom. Sometimes we focus only on personal hygiene, but not of our surroundings. For example, throwing your waste in the road after cleaning the house. That is not the right thing to do. Maintaining cleanliness in our surroundings is as important as cleanliness in our house. We should always take a small step towards maintaining cleanliness and avoid the action that spoils the beauty around us. It is the responsibility for every individual for a peaceful and healthy living. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, Father.
Respected headmistress, classes, teacher, and all my dear friends. I am from Group 3, Gomati. The title of my speech is Cleanliness. Cleanliness plays a very important role in promoting good health and preventing the spread of diseases. By practicing cleanliness, such as keeping our body clean and properly disposing of waste, we can minimize the strains, disease transmission, regular bathing, brushing teeth, and wearing clean clothes contribute to our physical and mental well-being. It helps us feel fresh, confident, and comfortable. We should keep our school environment clean because it promotes a sense of calmness and enable us to study without any problem. And there is a saying that cleanliness is next to godliness. Thank you.
Yeah. Look to right.
Respected headmistress, judges, teachers, and everyone present here. A very good morning to all Indians. I, Anamika, on behalf of El Shaddai Group, am thankful for this opportunity to speak on cleanliness. Cleanliness is important at every stage of life. We live in our own way, or when we were a part of society. Cleanliness helps us to live a healthy life. Cleanliness keeps us away from diseases that spread through unhygienic lifestyle. Diseases like malaria, danger, etc. When we live a clean life, it becomes easier for us to maintain active lifestyle and keep fit. When one is fit, they are not susceptible to fatal illnesses. So it's important to take care of our environment by separating waste before disposing of. Personal cleanliness help in personal cleanliness help in personal cleanliness help in
Respected just teachers and all my dear friends. I'm Pramila Jamatia of Behave on Health Image Group. Thank Thank you for the opportunity to speak on cleanliness. Cleanliness is the habit of keeping shelves and surrounding clean. It is a very good habit which every person should practice. Cleanliness gives a fresh and good look to our surroundings. Cleanliness gives a rise to a good character by keeping body, mind, and soul clean and respectful. Most importantly, parents and teachers must encourage this habit from early on kids. This will ensure that the awareness of cleanliness. To achieve this goal, the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, has launched the popular